In this tutorial, we'll use Leonardo AI and other free tools to create a children coloring book. We'll also use other software to fix any errors in the images. First, we'll start with ChatGPT to get some suggestion for the theme of the book. We've got everything that we need in order to create this beautiful book. Okay, so we're gonna start by copying the prompt, and then we're gonna go to the Leonardo.ai. So we are on Leonardo right now, so we're gonna need to make sure that all the settings are correct by starting with the sizes. I've chosen this 1024 by 1024. You can choose even this one 1024 by 768. It's just up to you. And then again, here you need to make sure that your model is under this a model or builder base XL, or else you're gonna use Leonardo Diffusion. One of the two will create the best. So today I'm gonna go with Albedo base XL. And then another thing that you also need to make sure that the settings are correct is the elements. So you need to go to the elements, and then you go down until you find the coloring book. So you need to make sure that your elements are specific on this mode, coloring book. So just click on that one. As long as it has this mark on it, it's actually selected. So we're gonna come here to confirm. Okay, so another thing that you need to add is to add the negative prompt. So you need to add the negative prompt in order for making sure that you remind the AI that there are certain elements on the image that you don't need. Sometimes it's gonna give you the colors, the extra color that you don't need. Sometimes you find that it has given you extra legs. Sometimes it can just bring the very same thing, even though you have mentioned that you don't want that. Like this image, you see it has given me three legs, but it's okay. Sometimes you just let it you can just accept that image, but and then you can rectify it on Canva. There are other ways on rectifying this kind of mistakes. All right, so we can just come here to add we're gonna add the prompt on this box. So we're gonna paste it there. Okay, so you can just click on it. So before you click, you can just decide how many images you need. So if you need one, you can just make sure that you state that you need one. So we're gonna need only 2 images, so it's gonna take 5 tokens. So it's okay, we can just go ahead and generate. As you can see that the AI has created, Leonardo has created this image with many mistakes. Let's just generate again. Let's just generate again and see if it's gonna give us the same thing again. I don't like these colors, the brown colors, and then these there are lots of mistakes here, even though there are ways of cleaning them. All right, so it has given me the same thing all over again. So let's just bring it to our computer, then we can just figure out where we can just clean up this mess. All right, so we're gonna move to this website called Photopia. Let's just go there. Let's you need to come here to open from your computer so that we can just bring the image into the website. Okay, so this is the image that we have asked Leonardo to produce, and then it ended up producing the image with the extra colors that we don't need. So we're gonna need to come here to paint a bucket. Let's just click there. So you just click there, and then you're gonna come here to this, and then make sure that is on white. Is white, then we'll be able to get the exact colors that we want. So we need to change these colors. So let's just click on top. You see it's coming out, and then we can also click on this one. So we are just trying to delete the color that we don't need. All right, so it's going out. So we can also do this on this. I don't know what it is. It's just an extra thing. It's okay. I'm going to delete this color, or else if you still want to keep this, you can just come here to undo, then it will go back. So since I'm okay, I can just leave it like that, or I can just continue to delete these unwanted colors. So many things. Anyway, I'm gonna just leave it like this way, because I'm going to delete I don't like this. I don't know what it is, and I don't want it to be on the image. So I'm going to show you on how to do that in Canva. So when you are done deleting all the colors that are not allowed to be on your image, you can just come here to file, and then you can come to export. So we're going to export it as PNG, or you can export it as a JPEG. So I'm going to just use a PNG, and then you're going to come here to save, and then it's already there. So all right, then after this we're gonna go to we need to upscale the image. So let's just go to a big JPEG. Then we come here to select the image. So we're gonna take this one, open, scroll down. So this is the image. Then we can start upscaling. So it's image type artwork. So we're gonna just need to upscale until 4 times, because you're on a free version. So this one is gonna be on the noise reduction, it's gonna be none. Then we click OK. Okay, so our image is completed, so we can just come here to download it. So then we need to go to Canva. All right, so we're gonna need to bring that image, the upscaled image, into Canva so that we can work on it. Okay, so let's just add another page on here. This is 8.5 by 8.5, so we're gonna just bring it here. So we're gonna need to make sure that we delete some of the things that we don't need on this image. So let's just click on the image. We can just go here to edit, and then we need the magic eraser. So we're gonna need to delete, sorry, let me just get clear. So we're gonna just delete them. Okay, so I think the image is okay now, so we can just go back to Canva. So we're gonna put this one here, making sure it's sitting nicely there. Then we can just put it here. All right, so we can just go back to ChatGPT. Then we can get the name of the bed. You can just put it here. Let's just paste it here. Okay, So we can also duplicate this, and then we bring it to this side, and we go back to a ChatGPT. Then we can just copy this one, or put it here, and then we also need this one. Let's go back to ChatGPT for the last time, and then we take this one. All right, we can put it here and then just delete him. Okay, let's just see. So the book will look like something like this. It's got the name of the bed that the kids will be coloring this bed, and then this they will learn about the uniqueness of the bed and the special features that that bed has. So this is how you create the educational and educational activity, or I can say a educational coloring activity book. So I'm afraid we came to the last part of our video, and then thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please make sure that you do subscribe. Up until next time, bye bye.